Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now we are going to read chapter 5 from Joyful Mathematics of class 2. And the chapter name is Playing with Lines. So let us start. Let us do A. Circle the asanas
Circle the asanas
with standing
with standing
or vertical lines.
or vertical lines.
B.
B.
Tick the asanas
Take the asanas
with both vertical
with both vertical
and slanting lines.
and slanting lines.
C.
C.
Cross the asanas
Cross the asanas
which have curved lines.
which have curved lines.
D.
D.
Put a star
Put a star
along the asanas
along the asanas
that have sleeping
that have sleeping
or
or
horizontal lines.
horizontal lines.
E.
E.
Try some of these asanas.
Try some of these asanas.
Discuss the lines
Discuss the lines
that you notice
that you notice
while doing the asanas.
while doing the asanas.
Facilitate the children
Facilitate the children
in practicing yoga poses.
in practicing yoga poses.
Give instructions like
Give instructions like
keep the back straight,
keep the back straight,
arms straight,
arms straight,
curve the back,
curve the back,
slant the arms
slant the arms
and legs,
and legs,
etc.
etc.
Also tell them
Also tell them
about Ashtanga Yoga
about Ashtanga Yoga
as described in the ancient Yoga Sutras
as described in ancient Yoga Sutras
of Patanjali.
of Patanjali.
What is straight?
What is straight?
Hold a piece of thread
Hold a piece of thread
in your hands.
in your hands.
Is it straight?
Is it straight?
Now bring your hands closer.
Now bring your hands closer.
Is the thread straight now?
Is the thread straight now?
This is now standing
This is now standing
or sleeping
or sleeping
or slanting.
or slanting.
Let us do.
Let us do.
Trace the missing vertical,
Trace the missing vertical,
horizontal,
horizontal,
slanting
slanting,
and curved lines
and curved lines
in the picture given below.
in the picture given below.
Let us play with dots.
Let us play with dots.
A.
A.
Make new shapes
Make new shapes
with straight lines,
with straight lines,
vertical,
vertical,
horizontal
horizontal,
and slanting.
and slanting.
B.
B.
Draw different figures
Draw different figures
with the help of curved lines
with the help of curved lines
like clouds,
like clouds,
rainbow,
rainbow,
etc.
etc.
Let us do.
Let us do.
A.
A.
Make your own drawing
Make your own drawing
using different types of lines
using different types of lines
in the space given.
in the space given.
Draw a design
Draw a design
with any two types of lines.
with any two types of lines.
B.
B.
Draw a design
Draw a design
with any three types of line.
with any three types of lines.
With any three types of lines.
With any three types of lines.
C.
C.
Draw a design
Draw a design
using all types of lines.
using all types of lines.
Project work.
Project work.
Fun with folding.
Fun with folding.
If we fold a paper in half,
If you fold the paper in half,
it makes a crease
it makes a crease
in the center.
in the center.
Now, if we keep folding the paper further,
Now if we keep folding the paper further,
we get a number of creases.
we get a number of creases.
Let us see the different lines
Let us see the different lines
we get after folding the paper.
we get after folding the paper.
Trace the straight lines
Trace the straight lines
with red crayon
with red crayon
and slanting lines
and slanting lines
with blue crayon.
with blue crayon.
A.
A.
Fold a paper
Fold a paper
with your friend
with your friend
and check who gets
and check who gets
the maximum number of creases.
the maximum number of creases.
B.
B.
Try to make curved lines
Try to make curved lines
by paper folding.
by paper folding.
Discuss various art forms
Discuss various art forms
like Madhubani,
like Madhubani,
Kalamkari,
Kalamkari,
Varli,
Varli,
or any other local art forms
or any other local art forms
that they are familiar with.
that they are familiar with.
Teacher might invite local painters
Teacher might invite local painters
to share their process of drawing
to share their process of drawing
different lines and shapes
different lines and shapes
with children.
with children.